Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to download Netflix app on PC or on your laptop in 2022. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to go to our start and we have to type in Microsoft Store. Once we're here, we can click on Microsoft Store. We can open up Microsoft Store and here we can go here and we can type in Netflix. We can click enter, and here what we need to do is we need to go here to Netflix and we need to go to install right here. We can also click on this and also go here and click install. And once you install Netflix, you can click open up. Once you click open up, you will be able to log into your Netflix, and as you can see, you will be able to watch Netflix as well as you'll be able to download as well documentaries, movies, and anything through this application or through this program, which is pretty amazing. Now, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, but this is how to download Netflix app on your PC or laptop in 2022, the fastest possible way.